How much will Samsung Galaxy Foldable cost? Samsung Galaxy Foldable phone has been the talk of the town since the South Korean mobile manufacturer unveiled its plan to enter the foldable market. While several leaks have garnered attention regarding the unique features and specification of the Galaxy Foldable, one question that plays on everyone's mind is how much Samsung Galaxy Foldable will cost. Gadinsider has the answer. Contrary to popular opinion that the Samsung Galaxy Foldable will cost users a fortune, the new entrant is actually cheaper compared to its competitors. According to reports, the Galaxy Foldable would cut costs by using lower-end tech than flagship Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Flip 6. The new addition in Samsung Galaxy's foldable market will cost under $800. While the exact model name is yet to be disclosed, it's expected to be Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE.